Form Offsite Solutions was created as a way for us to take the work that's done every day on a construction site and produce it in a controlled environment, focusing on design for manufacturing.
Our team has done a tremendous job over the past 5 years or so since we started that facility of driving innovation for our company and our clients.
We focus first on building wood components. Our team has evolved over the years, and now we're focusing on multi-trade assemblies, where we're taking many scopes from different aspects of construction and combining them into one product that leaves our facility.
This industry of construction has been very slow to change. We want to break that mold. This is time to take a leap forward on speed, cost, safety, and quality.
Here at Form, our biggest asset is our people. As our team continues to evolve and grow, we're going to be pushing innovation not just with our projects, but in the way that we deliver them.
I'm really excited how we've expanded and grown our team there. We've added a lot of people with manufacturing backgrounds. They've collaborated with our longtime project management team as well as supervision to come up with the most innovative ways to add value to our projects.
When you think about Form, I want you to think about a partner that will help you form solutions to your problems.
We've tested it, we've defined a market need, and we've provided really great solutions, not only our self-perform for JE Dunn, but for many external clients.
I couldn't be more excited about the launch of Form and what it's going to do for JE Dunn clients all around the country. It's going to add tremendous value.
It's going to be an amazing future ahead.